A friend of mine recently asked me to teach him how to trade. This is for you and for anybody else who wants to learn how to trade and understand what they're looking at on a daily basis on the charts. In trading, price action is the analysis of an asset's raw price movements over time, typically studied using a naked chart, which you can see here. There's no lines, there's no algorithms, there's no indicators. Traders use price action to read market sentiment, identify trends, and make real-time decisions regarding entry and exit points. There is only two price actions that can happen, and we look for setups to filter between those two types of trades. The two types of trades are either a continuation or a reversal. There is literally no other trading strategy, not the most complicated wave structures to the most algorithmic driven high frequency trades to the basic macro strategies of how some view world events and how it affects the market. There's only two types of price actions that can happen, either a continuation or a reversal. The study of price action studies candlesticks, patterns, the trends, volume, support and resistance levels, structure, algorithms, or trend lines. It identifies trends through higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend and lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend. The charts are fractal. So the first thing we're learning about is the charts. What does this look like? What does it mean? These candlesticks, what are they? So it's a record of time. The 1 minute chart on the New York Stock Exchange has 390 candles. The 1 minute chart. The charts are fractal. So what you see on the 1 minute chart is translated all the way up to the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the yearly charts. Next, we're going to see the 5 minute chart. On a 5 minute chart, this is Friday's session. The 5 minute chart has 78 candles. Friday's chart, the 15 minute chart has 26 candles. The 30 minute chart has 13 candles. And the daily chart is 1 candle. This represents one whole day. So from the 1 minute, we now see the daily candle, what this looks like. How to read a candle. On the red, it opens from this bar. Sometime during that day, price went all the way up, all the way down, but ended up closing right here at this low. That's how to read a candle.